Okay, it's week 2, and we have episode 3 and 4 out today. Let's talk about it. The shows in question are See You in My 19th Life and King the Land. Okay, so I kind of want to make a list of like what I like about each show and what I dislike about each show, because right now the dynamic is changing for both shows, and I still very much I'm in tune. I'm going to keep watching, but there's a lot of things I appreciate about both shows and a lot of things I like really wish there was less of. What I like about King the Landing is the growing chemistry between Juno and Yuna's character. Like, I think in episode 3, when they got drunk and they kind of let their guard down a little bit, of course they're acting, like that's when I got to see the humor coming out of the characters. That's when I got to see kind of like what kind of characters they're trying to play here. So I was like, okay, now I'm getting it. Like they're fun. Okay, so at that point I'm like, I was hooked in, and then I really like how their characters are developing. I really like how he has a crush on her. He's trying to figure that out. That's cute. I like that. So basically the lightheartedness of it. I think it's good that I was actually wondering why Netflix put those shows together, and See You in My 19th Life is so heavy. There's just a lot happening that you kind of need a show like King the Landing. I really have to think too much. It's just something nice to watch, comedy, cute, romance. That's why I really do appreciate how light it is for such a show, because of the show that I watch afterwards is like really heavy. The side characters, like if it's gonna be a show about the girls, let it be about the girls. But like I don't understand why we have so much time spent like investing in their characters. The girl that works as a flight attendant, like I like her storyline a little bit, but like I don't feel like all of them need that much screen time. I don't know. I just want to see more scenes with Yuna and Juno's character. Like I really just want to see more of them together. One thing I don't like about King the Land is the family dynamic. Like, am I the only one that keeps thinking that's his like stepmom rather than his sister? Like every time I see his sister, like I have to remind myself, oh, that's his sister. Like that's not his stepmom. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the casting. Another thing is that I feel like his character, he forgets what his main goal is to find his mom whenever like Yuna's there, which is fine, but it's not at the same time. Like he completely forgets about it. If like he never sees his sister, he would forget his purpose while he's in Korea. Like he really would. And like I think they need to find a way to bring it together that Yuna has something to do with his mom, because it's like 2 different shows. I don't know. And one thing I do appreciate, hate, and like is the fan service. They have so much fan service in it. They had so many slow motions, so many like kdrama things. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of time. Let's talk about See You in My 19th Life in part 2.